Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black, turquoise, blue, and clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a key ring. And we're going to start with this pattern here, so if you want to pause the video to get your beads ready. There it is. I'm going to show you how to start this. This is the top, so we're going to add the top bead, which is a black bead. Just let that fall. You're going to put black on one side, blue on the other, blue that goes through both, blue on one side, turquoise on the other, turquoise that goes through both, turquoise on one side, clear on the other, clear that goes through both, clear on one side, black on the other, and black that goes through both. So now we're just where we started. So you're going to add the rest of these beads, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, once you have all your beads on, you're going to pull this tight and then tie the two strings, and we'll add our needle. So this is what the pattern should look like. So if you want to pause the video, you can. And also, this will fit a size AB. If you're larger than that, you would add 2 additional rows for a C and then 4 for a D cup. We're going to take our needle and go through this blue. We're going to add a blue. We're going to add a black. We're going to add a clear, turquoise, we're going to add a blue, black, we're going to add a clear, turquoise, blue, black, clear, turquoise, now we're going to go through this black and down this one. Flip this over. We're going to add a black, blue, turquoise, clear, black, blue, turquoise, clear, black, blue, turquoise, and clear. Flip this over. Now if you see that the pattern's going this way, so you can see that the next bead right here will be clear. This one's going to be turquoise and blue, black. So I'm going to go ahead and do this row, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I have my last bead, which is black. To start the next row, we're going to have to go up this black, down these two right here, up this one and down this one, flip it over. We're going to add a black, blue, as you can see, I'm just following the pattern, so everything's going this direction. So go ahead and finish this row and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, this was my last bead here. I went ahead and flipped it over. So to continue this angle, we're going to add this color bead, turquoise, and then you can continue this row and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, this was my last bead. I went through this black. We're going to need to go down these two here, up this one and down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a black and continue this pattern. Now I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, this was my last bead I added and I flipped it over. We're going to add a blue, go through the blue, and we'll continue this pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, this is my last bead. We're going to go through this black, down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a black and continue our pattern. Okay, I added my last bead here. I flipped this over. We're going to add a black and go through this black and continue this row. I'll be back. Okay guys, this is my last bead for this row. We're going to go up this black, down these two, up this one and down this one, flip it over, add a black, blue, once you get this kind of pattern started, it's pretty easy to follow. The tricky part is the beginning, getting it started. Flip this over. We're going to add a clear. Okay, we're going to go down these two, up this one and down this one. Flip it over. I'm going to go ahead and do this row and then I'll be back. Okay, this was my last bead here. We're going to add a turquoise and a blue. At this point, you should be kind of familiar with what you're doing. Go down these two. Up this one, down this one. Flip this over. Okay, we're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. Okay. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and down this one. Flip this over. We're going down these two, up this one, down this one. Flip it over. Flip it over. Okay, we're going to go down these two, up this one, down this one. Flip it over. Down these two, up this one and down this one. Add a black. And this is going to be our last bead for this side. I'm going to go down these two. If you want, you could tie it right here, but I like to reinforce this corner here. So I'm going to go ahead and tie it here. You can tie it as many times as you'd like. Okay, so we have one side complete. Now on the other side, we'll put our needle on. And for this side, to figure out what bead we need, look at this color over here. The next color will be turquoise. And blue. Black. Clear. Turquoise. Blue. Black. Clear. Turquoise. Blue. Black. Clear. Oops. We're going to go down these two. Up this one and down this one. Flip it over. And everything's going this way, so you're going to add black, blue, turquoise, clear, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and do this row and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm adding my last bead here. Flip it over. So to figure out what color is coming next, we just look over here. The next color is clear. Okay, I'm going to finish this pattern and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is my last bead here. We're going to go down these two clear, up this black, and down this blue. Okay, we're going to continue this pattern. I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be back. Okay guys, this was my last bead, a clear. We'll flip this over, and to figure out what color comes next, we just look over here. So what the color that comes after clear is black. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this side. I have faith that you, at this point, know what you're doing, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. So instead of adding this last corner bead like we did over here, you're going to stop right here and tie your string and cut that off. Now you're going to need to make another one of these. I have already made here. You're going to take a key ring and we're going to go through this middle bead on both sides. That's what it looks like. And now we're complete with this. You need to add ribbon for the ties up here and on the sides. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.